Welcome to this episode of Ton Does Linux and More. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Fedora Linux 42, the latest release of this open-source powerhouse. With an amusing reference to the ultimate answer of life being 42, just like in The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, Fedora 42 brings a host of new features and improvements that make it more user-friendly and efficient than ever. Let's kick things off with a fantastic feature: upgrading your system. If you're already part of the Fedora family, upgrading to Fedora 42 is a breeze. It's not much different from the usual updates you might be accustomed to, except this time you might want to grab a cup of your favorite beverage, perhaps something almost but not quite, entirely unlike tea. This is all about convenience. With just a few simple commands, you will have the latest features and improvements right at your fingertips. Now, for those of you who are new or looking to start fresh, Fedora offers a variety of installation options. You can choose from flagship editions like Workstation, KDE Plasma Desktop, Cloud, Server, CoreOS, and IoT. There are also alternative desktops available, including the stylish new Cosmic environment, and more traditional choices like Cinnamon and XFCE. So whether you're a seasoned Linux user or a curious newcomer, Fedora 42 has something tailored just for you. Moving on, one of the standout developments in this release is the promotion of the KDE Plasma Desktop to Edition status. The dedicated KDE team has been tirelessly squashing bugs and polishing the experience, making it ready for users to embrace fully. It's a thrilling time for KDE fans, and if you're wondering which desktop to choose, fret not. Both GNOME for Workstation and KDE come with robust support and user-friendly experiences, so you can't go wrong either way. Of course, there are also significant enhancements in the installation interface. The previous design offered too many options that often led to confusion, but fear not. The new streamlined installation UI focuses on getting you up and running swiftly, allowing you to configure your environment afterward as needed. This improvement is just one of many that highlight the Fedora community's commitment to user experience. Lastly, a quick heads up. While the release of Fedora 42 has been incredibly exciting, there's a small glitch with the live boot media that has been noted. While it doesn't impact your installed system, it does create an extra entry in the UEFI bootloader, which can be confusing if you're dual booting, so just keep that in mind as you embark on your cosmic journey with Fedora 42. And there you have it. Fedora Linux 42 is more than just a new version. It's a vibrant community effort that promises both fun and functionality. So whether you're upgrading or jumping in for the first time, there's a lot to look forward to. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy exploring everything that Fedora 42 has to offer. Until next time, keep innovating and exploring the endless possibilities of Linux.